Hello again. In this tutorial, I will walk you through setting up a Phantom Wallet using a recovery key. We will use the Phantom Wallet browser extension. I am using the Firefox browser, but the steps will be the same on any other browser. Now, let's get started. Open your browser, go to the extensions icon and search for the Phantom add-on. Once loaded, click on it. Select Add to add the extension to the browser. Accept all prompts for permissions. Place a tick in the prompt to pin the extension to the toolbar. Now that the browser extension is installed, you can import the recovery phrase. Write down the 12-word recovery phrase, making sure there are no typos. I have seen in some instances, the app will not accept the phrase. If you do experience this, you must retype the words again. I am not sure what causes this, but it is something to note. Congratulations! You have now imported your account successfully using the recovery phrase. You will now be asked to create a password to secure your wallet. On this last step, I could not go past the Get Started window. I simply closed my browser and reopened it. That looks better. Look for the Phantom Wallet extension towards the top right corner of your browser and open it. Enter your password, and you're in. Thank you for watching. I hope this has been informative. Until next time, please like and subscribe to get notified when new content gets uploaded.